Let me show you how to use this SVANFON mini lathe. This is the included turning tool. This is the tailstock drill chuck. This is the tailstock live center. This hand wheel moves X-axis radially. This handles Z-axis axial movement. This locks the center in place. A tailstock lock is installed on the side. This hand wheel moves the center forward and backward. Lock after adjusting to the required position. This power adapter supports multiple voltages. Plug the power cord straight into this port. Adjust the speed knob before startup. Turn it fully counterclockwise. Avoid motor overload from high starting current. Connect power and turn on the machine switch. Stepless speed knob adjusts spindle rotation speed. Remember to turn off the power when not in use. Next, learn how to operate the chuck. This is the dedicated chuck key. Turn this way to loosen. Turn the opposite way to tighten. Unscrew outward completely to remove jaws. Each jaw is printed with matching serial numbers. Mount standard jaws in sequence 1, 2, 3. Mount reverse jaws in sequence 3, 2, 1. Take a test bar and clamp the workpiece firmly. Mount the external turning tool. Check that the tool tip aligns with the workpiece center. Switch on the power. Move axes to adjust tool position. Start with workpiece facing. Then turn the outer diameter. Release the tailstock lock. Remove the tailstock live center. Fit the drill chuck. This chuck is used for drilling work. It fits